Assalamu alaikum, welcome to new tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to use the jog command inside SolidWorks sheet metal. This is really simple for you people. You must know about this, where we use it and why we use it, and how can you use this inside SolidWorks sheet metal. So let me show. Let me create a base plane for now. Choose a plane and let me make the background plain white, and let me draw such kind of profile for now. And you can assign the dimension, you can exact sketch, and let me do one thing. Let me increase the sheet metal thickness for now. Let me keep it 10. You can reverse the direction from here and say okay. Right, I have done this. Now that time jog was hidden, but right now it gets highlighted. That's why right now it is usable. You can use it, but before to use it you must know you must need a sketch, and let me show how. Let me come here and draw a line on this surface and make it normal. Let me draw a line from here till here, an exact sketch. Now jog command will work with you people betterly. Actually in jog what we can do right now, you will see. Come to jog. Now it asks you please select the fixed face. So fixed face is this one. See, right, this is great. You must know what is happening by using with the jog command. You got the point, hopefully. And here you come to blind, and here what about this distance? This distance is actually the distance in between these two. So let me keep it 60 for now. You will see the difference. See, and come here and dimension position like this, or like this. So here you must know about fixed projected length. If you check on this, so this projected length will be coinciding with this one, but if you check off this, so it will not. Okay, so let me check on for now. And this is jog. Actually this is the flipping, the flipward direction. You are going to flip your material toward upward direction, and then you have create two bends. So this is how jog is used. Now what about this jog? So jog position, either you can use this one. See the difference? Either you can use this one. This one, as depends on you. Let me choose this one for now. This one is better. Okay, and jog angle. Okay, now this angle is actually right now 60. You can make it 45 and see. Okay, and let me keep it 70. What's happening? So it depends on you what kind and what's the given dimension with you people. You can just assign that dimension and you will see how jogs work. So see, when I say okay, that remaining portion that I have that time, let me come here, edit. This portion is bent upward. This portion is bent upward. This is what actually, because I have sketched over there. I sketched over there a line, so you can sketch that line over here at any position. You can sketch that line. So I have bent, so this remaining portion is flip upward, and this will be finished with you people when I say okay. So hopefully you understand how can you use the jog tool inside SolidWorks sheet metal. It is really used because we can add up multiple walls by so to avoid that thing, to avoid that complicated work, you can just use the jog to flip the material in upward direction at certain angle and at a certain distance, and you can just trim the remaining portion as well. So this is really grateful command for you people inside SolidWorks sheet metal. So hopefully you understand. Let me assign some color. Come to body. and let me come to car and let me choose this color for now and say OK. So please don't forget to like the video, share, and also please don't forget especially to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.